Welcome to Golden Dragon Restaurant. How can I assist you today?
A table for two, please.
Of course, please follow me.
Good evening. My name is Li Wei, and I'll be your waiter tonight. Can I start you off with something to drink?
What do you want to drink?
I'd like a jasmine tea.
A jasmine tea for her and a glass of plum wine for me, please.
1 jasmine tea and 1 plum wine. I'll be right back with your drinks. Here are your drinks. This is today's menu. Are you ready to order, or do you need a few more minutes?
I think we're ready. Ladies first.
I'd like the pasta Alfredo and a side of garlic bread.
Excellent choice. And for you, sir?
I'll have the margarita pizza and a roasted chicken.
Margarita pizza and roasted chicken. Anything else?
No, that's all for now.
1 pasta Alfredo, 1 side of garlic bread, 1 margarita pizza, and 1 roasted chicken. Please wait a moment while we prepare your meal.
Thank you. This place has such a cozy atmosphere.
Yes, I love the decor. The lanterns and artwork are beautiful.
Have you decided on dessert yet?
I'm thinking of trying the cheesecake. How about you?
The chocolate mousse sounds tempting.
Here is the pasta Alfredo and garlic bread for the lady. And the margarita pizza and roasted chicken for you, sir. Enjoy your meal.
Thank you. How's your pasta?
It's delicious. The sauce is just perfect. How's your pizza?
It's amazing. The roasted chicken is also very tender and flavorful. Did you hear about that new movie that just came out?
The action one? Yes, I've heard great reviews.
Do you want to see it after dinner?
Absolutely. I love action movies.
How is everything tasting?
Everything is wonderful. Thank you.
I'm glad to hear that. Are you ready for dessert?
Yes, please. We'd like to see the dessert menu.
For dessert today, we have cheesecake, chocolate mousse, fruit tart, and ice cream. What would you like?
I'll have the chocolate mousse.
And for you?
I'll have the cheesecake.
1 chocolate mousse and 1 cheesecake. Coming right up. Here are your desserts. Is there anything else I can get for you?
No, thank you.
How was your meal?
The meal and the drinks were fantastic. This is the best pasta I've ever had.
I'm glad you enjoyed it. Do you have plans after this?
We're thinking of catching a movie. There's a new action film that has great reviews.
That sounds fun. Let's go.
I need to pay the bill first. Excuse me, can we get the bill?
Certainly, sir. Here it is.
You can keep the change.
Thank you very much for dining with us. We hope to see you again soon.
Thank you. Goodbye.
I'll go buy the tickets, popcorn, and drinks. What do you want to drink?
I'm a little full now, just a drink. Maybe a soda.
Okay, wait here. I'll be right back.
How can I help you?
I'd like to buy 2 tickets for the action film, please.
Sure. Would you like popcorn or drinks as well?
Yes, 2 cups of Coke, please.
That'll be $40 in total. Please choose 2 seats from the screen.
That was such a great movie. I'm so glad we went.
Absolutely. I was thinking, how about we grab some dinner? I heard there's a fantastic Italian restaurant nearby.
That sounds perfect. I'm in the mood for Italian. What do you think we should get?
I'm not sure yet. Let's check out their menu when we get there.
Great idea. I'm already excited for some good food.
This place looks really nice. Have you decided what you want to order?
Not yet. I'm torn between the lasagna and the fettuccine alfredo. How about you?
I'm leaning towards the chicken parmesan. I've heard it's really good here.
Good evening. Are you ready to order, or would you like a few more minutes?
I think we're ready. I'll have the chicken parmesan, please.
And I'll have the lasagna. Could we also get a side of garlic bread?
Certainly. Would you like any drinks with that?
I'll have a glass of red wine, please.
I'll just have a sparkling water.
Perfect. I'll get that for you.
The garlic bread sounds amazing. I've heard it's really crispy here.
Yeah, I'm looking forward to it. By the way, do you know if they have any special desserts?
I'm not sure, but we can always ask the waiter when he comes back.
Here's your garlic bread and drinks. Your main courses will be out shortly.
Thanks. The bread looks delicious.
Yes, thank you. It smells amazing.
Here we are, 1 chicken parmesan and 1 lasagna. Enjoy your meal.
Everything looks perfect. Thank you. This lasagna is so rich and flavorful. You should try a bite.
I definitely will. And this chicken parmesan is fantastic, just the right amount of cheese and sauce.
Everything was fantastic. Thank you for a lovely dinner.
It was my pleasure. I had a great time. Hey there, amazing viewers! If you find value in the content we create, and believe our channel is important to you, consider subscribing and hitting the bell icon. By doing so, you won't miss any of our valuable videos. Your support means the world to us, and we can't wait to share more exciting content with you. Subscribe now for more great content. Thank you.